Hi, we're in Porte-Puymorens now and are ready to start our new hike.
So we are planning to get to the lake Lanoux till the evening and then set up a camp.
And on the next day, we'll explore everything around the lake and even maybe we'll hike to the Pic Carlit, but we'll see how it goes. And then we'll get back to Porte-Puymorens.
So get ready for an exciting adventure.
Let's go!
Welcome to the magical Porte-Puymorens, the land of the colorful forest and magnificent lakes. In today's video we're going to share with you our two-day hike to the Lake Lanoux and back. We discovered 2 different ways to get there, spend the night in the woods and explored the beautiful lake Font Viva. Let's hit the trail!
Part of the way is a good pavement road, so it makes it easier. But at the same time there are cars on weekends, so not so good. What a beauty is this forest. Can't believe it. I've never liked the autumn season before, but here I fell in love with it. Just with its colors and smells. That's incredible. So the easy road is over and the hard way is starting. So, time to be strong. So the weather is like in the hot summer. In the middle of the autumn, but it feels like summer. We're in t-shirts. So there are lots of people hiking the same route today as we are, but they're not carrying as heavy backpacks, so for us it's double as hard. The hardest part of this route is that you have to walk under the sun all the time, have no shadow, and you can get really hot. Mountains crying. you can see a dam that you find on all of the lakes in the area, as we found out. It was built in the same. It was built in the same years, in 70s, 80s, the last century. But this one, it's not operational, so they don't use it. It's just there. So we met some shelter along the way. It's very curious. Lunchtime. This is our lunch, some tomatoes and rice with spices. That's all. And some bread.
We made it. We're at the lake.
It was a great hike. You agree?
Yeah.
The distance wasn't too long. How far is it?
I think 8 or 10 kilometers.
Yeah, I think it's true. So, but if you carry some weight as we do and walk under the sun, so you get a bit tired. But for the rest, it's all beautiful.
The views are amazing.
Yeah, and the lake itself is very, very big and the water is very clean. Yeah. Sure, you can see some man work here, but it's not bad. Yeah.
Yeah.
The path is worth it. So happy moments. So we think we found a place for us to set up a tent. It's quiet, not very windy, great place. Hopefully we'll have a good sleep here. Trying to flatten up the surface to sleep well, because if it's gonna be the slope, no good sleep is guaranteed. But we have to wait till dusk to set up a tent, because so are the rules, that you have to set up a tent after the dusk and to wrap it up before the sunrise. It's time to dinner. Our favorite oats and tomatoes and some bread, as usual. And voila, our home for today is ready. Good night. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed our video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more hiking adventures. Also, follow us on social media like Facebook and Instagram. Leave us a comment below sharing your adventure stories or ask any questions. Your support and feedback means a lot to us. Hope you're having a great day and we'll see you again soon. Bye!